Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best clearance yarn is probably one of the most exciting finds for any crafter, offering a fantastic opportunity to stock up on beloved fibers or experiment with new textures and colors without breaking the bank, making it a treasure trove for knitters, crocheters, and weavers alike who appreciate quality materials at unbeatable prices, ensuring that your next project can be as budget-friendly as it is beautiful and unique. Number 5. 20 Acrylic Yarn Skeins, Multicolored Yarn Kit. Unleash your creativity with this set of 20 acrylic yarn skeins. You'll have a total of 438 yards in a beautiful array of multicolored options. This yarn is an excellent starter kit for anyone looking to get into crochet and knitting. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of colorful craft projects. Each skein provides approximately 22 yards of yarn, perfect for accent works, amigurumi, and various craft projects. You can create granny squares, pom-poms, and more with ease. Discover 20 different colors in this yarn pack, offering a perfect variety of rainbow shades for all your crafting needs. It's a fantastic selection of vibrant, assorted colors. This kit is perfect for beginners, providing everything you need to start right away. Plus, you'll receive 7 PDF ebooks with yarn patterns to guide your first projects. Designed with beginners in mind, this knitting starter kit is simple and comprehensive. It ensures that anyone can begin their crafting journey immediately. What we like? This pack offers an incredible variety of 20 colors, perfect for beginners looking to experiment. If you are just starting out and want to explore many different shades without buying multiple skeins, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say? This yarn is a great value for the price. The colors are vibrant and the texture is soft. It's perfect for knitting sweaters and scarves. Number 4. Mira HandCrafts 12 Acrylic Yarn Skeins Kit. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive kit, featuring 12 vibrant skeins of premium acrylic yarn. You'll have plenty of soft, sturdy thread to bring all your colorful ideas to life. With over 1,300 yards of multicolored yarn, this set offers endless possibilities for your crafting projects. The bright, soft fibers ensure your creations will pop with color and vibrancy. Enjoy long-lasting brilliance as these yarns are machine washable and easy to care for. Your handmade items will maintain their stunning appearance wash after wash. This versatile and lightweight yarn is ideal for crafters of all ages. Whether you're making amigurumi, plushies, or gifts, you'll find it easy to work with for any creation. Experience the perfect blend of durability and softness. This yarn is ideal for creating cozy blankets and intricate granny squares, ensuring comfort and longevity in your projects. Get inspired with included ebooks featuring patterns for every skill level. This kit is perfect for beginners looking to dive into exciting crocheting and knitting projects. What we like? With 12 substantial skeins providing over 1,300 yards, this yarn is built for larger projects. If you're planning on making blankets, throws, or multiple items and need a reliable, soft yarn that holds up well to washing, this is a fantastic option. What people say? The yarn is a beautiful color and has a nice sheen. It's a soft yarn that is easy to work with. The yarn is perfect for making scarves and hats. Number 3. Lion Brand Multicolor Ferris Wool Yarn. This soft, 100% acrylic yarn is perfect for all your crafting needs. It's ideal for creating beautiful blankets, scarves, shawls, and sweaters. Experience the beauty of self-striping colorways with a subtle ombre effect. Each ball offers ample yardage for your projects. This CYC number 4 medium weight yarn is versatile for both knitting and crocheting. It's a joy to work with for any project. Enjoy the convenience of easy care. Simply machine wash on a gentle cycle and tumble dry on low heat. For guaranteed matching dye lots, we recommend purchasing in a 3-pack. This ensures consistency across your creations. What we like? The unique self-striping colorways create a beautiful, subtle ombre effect as you work. If you love the idea of your project changing colors naturally without having to switch yarns, and you're looking for a classic worsted weight for garments and accessories, this yarn will give you stunning results. What people say? The yarn is a beautiful color and has a nice sheen. It's a soft yarn that is easy to work with. The yarn is perfect for making scarves and hats. Number 2. Lion brand Mandala Baby Yarn, Echo Caves. Discover the incredibly soft touch of our new baby yarn. Each cake provides an ample amount of yarn for your creative projects. This lightweight and beautiful yarn is ideal for knitting or crocheting adorable baby clothes and cozy blankets. Let your creativity shine. Crafted from 100% acrylic fibers, it's a versatile choice for any craft kit. Its lightweight makes it perfect for delicate projects. Creating items for babies means easy care is essential. This yarn is conveniently machine washable, making laundry a breeze. Lion brand yarn is dedicated to providing high-quality yarn for all crafters, from beginners to experts. Experience the difference. What we like. This yarn is exceptionally soft and has a light weight, making it perfect for delicate projects. If you're crafting for babies, like blankets, clothing, or amigurumi, and prioritize a gentle feel against sensitive skin, this yarn is an excellent choice. What people say. The yarn is a beautiful color and has a nice texture. This yarn is perfect for knitting sweaters and scarves. The yarn is very soft and easy to work with. Number 1. Red Heart Super Saver Light Sage Yarn. Discover the perfect yarn for all your creative projects. This versatile yarn is ideal for knitting, crocheting, and amigurumi. Each ball offers ample yardage, ensuring you have enough material for even your most ambitious creations. It's perfect for gifting or charity projects. Crafting should be enjoyable, and so should the cleanup. Simply machine wash and dry your finished items for effortless care. Made from 100% acrylic, this yarn is not only durable but also OEKOTX certified, meaning it's free from harmful substances. Join countless crafters who trust this brand for its quality and wide range of beautiful colors. It's a staple for any yarn enthusiast. Achieve precise results with the recommended knitting and crochet gauges. This ensures your projects turn out exactly as you envision. What we like. As a consumer favorite, this yarn is known for its versatility and durability, plus it's incredibly easy to care for. If you need a reliable, no-fuss yarn for everyday projects, gifts, or charity work, and you appreciate a brand trusted by many crafters, this is a solid, dependable option. What people say. This yarn is a great value for the price. The colors are vibrant and the texture is soft, making it perfect for knitting projects. I love how this yarn holds up after washing. It doesn't unravel or lose its shape. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.